Hi guys, let's talk about car facelift and upgrades. I know we all want our cars to look sharp and driving something modern, but sometimes this facelift and upgrade cause more problems than they solve. Today, we are going to be talking about the downside of car facelift and upgrade, and how to keep your car looking fresh and safe. Let's get right into it. 1. It messes with the original car chassis. Imagine trying to turn a 2000 Toyota Sequoia into a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado.
Damn. This is crazy.
Note that cutting and welding your car chassis is serious business. If not properly done, it can seriously weaken your car frame and also messes with how your car handles generally. Cutting and welding your car is a recipe for disaster. Your safety comes first before the looks. 2. Car is most times deformed. No matter what, guys, you can never get the looks and aesthetic of the original car back. Maybe sometimes most are reversing it, but first Nigerian Panavitas, by the time they finish with your car, it's gone. A well-maintained original car will just look as flashy and as neat as a facelifted ones. How would you get better fuel mileage when your car looks like this? Those hood spoilers, massive grills, and body kits might look cool, but they can actually alter your fuel efficiency. The air flowing around your car is important. Messing up with it will seriously burn you more fuel. Airing and electronics might be affected. A lot of facelifted and upgraded cars have been engulfed in flames for this very reason. Playing around with the electrical wiring during a facelift can be very dangerous. Faulty wiring is a major fire risk, so be very careful. You would agree with me that most of these cars look way awkward after all they do to them. Just imagine someone in their right senses using a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado tail lamp in a Toyota Highlander.
God have mercy upon us.
Sometimes this extensive upgrade and facelift might make your car look a bit off. So before you facelift or upgrade your car, do your research, get the proper and original kit, and that's the best way to go about it. Now, before you think I'm saying car facelift and upgrades are bad, no, that aren't true. A fresh coat of paint, the original and proper kit, and a very good mechanic or technician will do wonders and magic on your car. But always remember, safety first over swag. Without mention.